Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Sandra and this is Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips. Hello songs can be a very important part of the classroom day. Hello songs are a nice way to greet all your students, welcome them to the classroom, send the message that they're included in the community, and help them transition from home to school. Singing hello songs can also help the children build self-confidence. They join in singing with their classmates and they can feel comfortable and it gives them a sense of self-worth. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different hello songs that can be used in any classroom. You can adapt these songs to your classroom by just chanting them or whispering or speaking the words instead of singing. The children will respond to your warm nature and inclusive attitude and positive vibes as you say or sing any song. So here are the 5 hello songs that you can use in your classroom tomorrow. Be sure to hit subscribe and show YouTube you like this video. All the links to the songs and the free classroom songs download is in the description.
Everybody say hello.
Say hello, say hello. Everybody say hello. Say hello, say hello. Everybody say hello. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, spin around, feel the beat. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Everybody say hello. Wake up your body. It's a brand new day. Smile and be ready to learn and grow today. Say hello, say hello. Everybody say hello. Say hello, say hello. Everybody say hello.
This is the way we say hello.
This is the way we say hello. Say hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello when we come to music.
Hello, my good friends.
Hello, my good friends. How are you today? Come and sing a song with me, then let's run and play.
Hello, hello, good morning to you.
Hello, hello, good morning to you. Hello, hello, it's time to sing too. Sing high, sing low. We'll sing, 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 sing until we go. Hello, hello, good morning to you. Hello, hello, it's time to sing too.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. It's time to sing a song or two. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. It's time to sing a song for you.
Hello, hello, how are you?
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, sing a song or two. Hello, hello, songs with 3.
Learn more about our hello songs. Join today to get these free resources. And be sure to watch these videos next to add more songs to your classroom.
Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you being here. Drop a comment on your favorite hello song. Let's move and learn with music.
Sing, play, create.